Welcome to JH. The Evolve View app claims it can transform your fitness journey with structured programs for both the gym and your living room. Because, let's be honest, nothing says peak performance like doing squats 3 feet away from your snack cupboard. But before you trade your couch for a yoga mat, you're probably wondering, is this app actually legit or just another digital paperweight taking up space on your phone? Let's look at the evidence. External reviews are suspiciously positive, with the Play Store sitting at a 4.4-star rating from over 100,000 downloads. The App Store crowd is even more obsessed, boasting a 4.8-star rating from nearly 20,000 users. Apparently, people actually enjoy being told what to do by their phones. Users are raving about the easy-to-follow workouts, nutrition plans, and fun challenges, because clearly, doing burpees until you see stars is everyone's idea of a good time. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket, minus the expensive hourly rate and the judgmental staring. The app also boasts a massive social media presence, with over 460,000 followers on Instagram. That is a massive community of people looking at fitness aesthetics while likely eating pizza. Unlike those shady apps run by Mystery Fitness Bot 3000, Evolve is transparent about its founders, Chrissy Sala and Jack Bullmore. Knowing actual humans are behind the wheel adds a nice layer of credibility, even if they are significantly more fit than the rest of us. If things go sideways, they actually provide a real email, phone number, and even a physical address. Just in case you want to mail them a handwritten letter complaining that your six-pack hasn't spontaneously appeared yet. So, is the Evolve app legit? Based on the glowing reviews, massive following, and reachable support, it looks like a genuinely reliable choice for hitting your goals. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates before you head off to the gym, or just think about going.